Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jotform for responsive form UI design, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Jotform for responsive form UI design, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.jotform.com and hit enter. You will be directed to the Jotform homepage. Look for the sign up button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will see several registration options. You can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you prefer using your email, enter a valid email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow the password guidelines for security. Once you have filled in your details, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. You may be prompted to verify your email address for account activation. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Jotform. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verification, return to the Jotform homepage. Now, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your registered email and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Jotform dashboard. Here, you can explore various features and templates available for responsive UI design. To create a new form, click on the Create Form button. You will be presented with different options for building your form. Choose the option that best suits your needs, such as start from scratch or use a template. If you select a template, browse through the available categories. Find a responsive form template that fits your requirements and click on it. The selected template will open in the Jotform Form Builder. Here, you can customize the form design to your liking. Add various form elements like text boxes, checkboxes, and drop-down menus as needed. Make sure to adjust the settings for each element to ensure responsiveness. Preview your form regularly by clicking on the Preview button. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button to make your form live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.